Okay, with our project set up, everything is appropriately saved. We've set up our sequence. The next job to do is to import our assets, our media assets. So the way we do that is to bring them into our library down here, bottom left. And there's two ways of doing this. The first thing we can do is right click within this window and go up to import. That will bring up the File Explorer. Now, it could bring you into the File Explorer in any number of places. So it's your job to just make sure that you are bringing in the media from the correct project. So in this case, I'll just double check. We're going back into my projects. The Dan is Mad demo. And then I've got audio in here and I've got footage in here. These are the assets that I want to play with within my library. So I could do one of two things. I could click on the folder and open it, and I could select all of these, and then I could click open and it will pop them down in the library. However, what might be easier is if I take the whole folder, because it will then give me a footage folder in my library and keep things nice and organized. So with footage selected, I'm going to click import folder, and you'll see now I've got a folder or a bin in here with the footage inside it. So it's nice and tidy. In order to bring my audio in, I'm going to show you the second way of doing it, which is to go straight via the File Explorer itself, and then I could just drag and drop the appropriate folder. And again, it will give me another bin with my audio in there. So my footage and my audio are separated. It makes navigation far easier, especially on a longer project when you've got lots and lots of different assets to play with.